Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the GPU and launcher are ready. Install the latest driver, reboot, and select the correct GPU via the Minecraft launcher profile. Once done, point the profile to the Java build you want to use so Minecraft uses the discrete card. Install Optifine or a Fabric mod loader next to enable advanced GPU options. Make sure power mode is set to performance. This reduces background throttling and gives you headroom for higher frame rates. You now tune settings for a balance of visuals and FPS. Allocate 4 to 8 GB of RAM for modded or high-resolution texture packs, but avoid overallocating, which can harm GC behavior. In Optifine, set render distance and chunk loading lower if latency spikes. Tweak particles and MIP maps for smoother frame pacing. Then open your GPU control panel and choose Max Performance, prefer high-performance GPU for Minecraft, and set texture filtering to improve clarity without heavy costs. You finish by testing and watching how the GPU behaves. Load a stress test map or a benchmark world and note FPS, temperature, and GPU usage. Use monitoring tools to confirm the GPU is the bottleneck. If usage is low, make sure the launcher and operating system are set to use the discrete card. Once done, address stutters by updating drivers, reducing shader quality, or disabling heavy mods. If crashes persist, try a clean modless profile to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.